Welcome to one and all. I'm K. Sirisha, working as assistant professor in mechanical department in MBR Engineering College. Today, I would like to teach the subject of operations research to third year first semester. So, I would like to start my topic. So first of all of the students know of about the subject of operations research. I think most of the people know what is the operations research. So in this subject, we have to briefly know about the operations research. The first of all, the topics of operations research is meaning, and we have to know what is the operations research. So now we start our subject. Our topic is meaning and definition of operations research, and we also know of about the phases in operation research and scope of operations research, characteristics, methodology, models, techniques, applications, and limitations. So those are all regarding the subject of operations research. So before we going to the this subject, we have to know what is the meaning and definitions of operations research. And in this in the one of the in the form of one word, the meaning of operations research is operations and research. Actually, the word it was started in the after world war, and it is used applying in the field of industry, trade, agriculture, planning, and various other fields of economy. In the form of other meaning of operations research is nothing but actually, for example, if you have one problem. So if we have one problem, what to do? We have in our mind, we have infinite number of solutions, but we don't know how to choose with what is the exactly the correct answer. So by using this operations research, by applying this operations research method, and we can solve a problem very easily. So I think you should understand my question, students. So what is the exactly meaning of operations research is nothing but if we have a one question and we are getting the number of solutions, but we don't know how to choose the correct answer. So by applying this operations research, we can get a good and better solution. The good and better solution is nothing but the optimum solution. So this is the operation research meaning. So this is the operation research meaning. So we have to read once. It is the method of analysis by which management receives aid for the decisions. So through the name of this method, operations research. So what we can called as operation research is nothing but a O or, okay, O or we can call it as O or. So but the method used for this is not a new one. Okay, this operation research is not a new one. So operation research is concerned with the application of the principles and the method of science to the problems of a strategy. So operation research actually it is not a new one, ma. It is used in after the World War II. So why this operation used in World War II is nothing but they are using some military strategies. So they don't know how to take the good strategies of World War II. By using this operations research method, they get a better solution by using this. So that is nothing but the meaning and definition of operations research. So next big topic, that is nothing but the definition. So definition is nothing but it is the application of scientific methods, techniques, and tools to problem involving the problem of a system so as to provide those in the control of the system with the optimal solution to the problems. So what I defined firstly is nothing but in the one word, operation research is nothing but a better decision. So better decision gives the best answer. The better decision gives the best solution. So better decision, better answer. So, for example, if you have one organization, so they are running some industry, or they're running with the different materials, man, missions, whatever. So they are having the infinite number of choices. They don't know how to get a better. So by using this operation research method, they get the good solution. They get the good solution. So good solution is nothing but they get a better profit. Better profit is nothing but a better earning. So by using this operation research method, so operation research method um, is giving the application of scientific method, techniques and tools to problems involving the operations of a system, so as to provide those in the control system with the optimal solutions to the problem. Actually, in operation research method, they're using in the different fields like industry, trade, agriculture, so planning and various other fields of economy. Okay, there are the so actually it in fact in operation research, research techniques and scientific methods are employed for the analysis and also for the studying the current or future problems. Thus, the operation research offers alternate plans for a problem to the management for better decision. Actually, in operation research, so the techniques and methods are employed for like industry or agriculture field, whatever the methods are employed to the for different fields. So why they are applied the operation research methods? Because of not only at the present, so not only at the current situation, for their future problems also, it can be future problems also it is used for them. And in operation research, it can give alternate plans for the problems to the management decisions. Okay. Okay, so at the same way, it can be solved for different types of problems, such as so which type of problems it can be solved by using operations research method. So problems dealing with the waiting line, the arrival of units or persons requiring service. What is that meaning is nothing but for example, when we go to the railway station, we can get a railway ticket, but so many people are there. This is also a problem because of people are queue is very high. How to take our ticket, it is taking so much of time because of so much of time. But they should not follow the rules. The crowd of people are there. How to take, because of it is taking so much of time. But if we are taking some operation research methods, so they're applying some methods like a scientific method, mathematical method, what are the different types of methods are involving in operations research. So if we are applying one method by using operation research, so they follow one rule and take with the formula line and arrival of units of persons requiring service. That is the solving different types of problems by using the operations research. At the same way, problems dealing with the allocation of material or activities among limited facilities. For example, we want to run a one company. So if we want to run a one company, we don't know how much of materials we have, and we don't know how much of activities or whatever we don't know how to deal the process. But we are taking some one method of operations research. We know how much of material or allotment is much how much we provided to the given mission, and it give the best material. So that is nothing but how much of allocation of matter or activities among our limited facilities. For example, if we have for example, in our house we are having grasses. Our grasses are very less, but we lead the family for 1 month. But we can estimate, okay, we are having this much of materials, this much of materials. So this much of materials we can lead for 1 month. So if you are having some limited facilities, and you can choose one plan. That plan is nothing but to operations research. So this is our daily activities. The operation research we can apply our daily activities. Okay, so this is the one of the activity in operation research. That is nothing but we are having a limited facilities, but we can lead the life for we can lead for only for 1 month. We can lead the 1 month. That is nothing but operations research. So operation research is also applicable in our daily activities also. And next, equipment replacement problems. So equipment replacement problems is nothing but we are having we have one mission. So we can one of the mission is repaired, but how could you replacement? Because by using this techniques, okay, this is running for next 3 months, so we can choose, okay, we do that. By using this operation research method, we can equipment replacement problems also. And next one are problems dealing with product processing, production control, and material equipment. Already I have told you students, operations research method we can apply the different fields like agriculture sector, production sector, education sector. So different fields we can choose the operations research. So those are all that the team doing operation research have stratification, psychologists, lab specialists, mathematician, other depending upon the requirement for the problems. So okay, actually the operation research method, actually it is the manual doing problems. Definitely we need one person. So the main disadvantage of operation research is nothing but without manual work we cannot do the solutions. So definitely if we want to do the operation research, may have definitely stratification statisticians, psychologists, lab specialists, mathematicians, and other depending on the requirement for the problem. That is the main disadvantage. So if we can do the operation research method, definitely we can take lab specialists, mathematicians, and other depending upon the requirement for the problems. That is the main disadvantage. But okay, so we can talk later. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of operation of research? And next we are going to the what is operation. Already I have told what is the operation research, that we have the simple form in operation research. So what is operation research is nothing but operation research activities carried out in an operations where we have operations research. So where we have operations, the operation for the operations is nothing but the activities carried out in organization. Operations where we have operations, the activities carried out in an organization. And research is nothing but the process of observation and testing characterized by the scientific method, situation, problem statement, model construction, validation, experimentation, candidate solutions. So yeah, and I think you understand, people. Operations research, operations which is nothing but where we are going, where we are having the problem, where we have operations activities. So operations carried out in organization. So what is research in organization? First of all, we study and testing and characterized. So the process of observation and testing characterized by the scientific method. The method where it coming from, the method it is come from operations research. So situation, first we can understand what is the situation, what is the problem statement, what is the model construction, what is the validation, and finally we get the experimentation and candidate solution. So finally this is the operations research. Operations is nothing but activities, and research is nothing but finally get the making decision. That is nothing but operations research. Model is nothing but an abstract representation of reality, mathematical, physical, narrative set of rules, computer program. That is nothing but model. Actually, actually I would like to tell you one thing, students. Operation research, all operations we are doing by using with computer only, and also we can do the whole process, finally get the solution is also in the presence of manual do in the presence of man is nothing but definitely we can do a manual work. Okay, by using the manual work, so definitely how the model is going to be in the computer. So an abstract represent, so what we have one problem, and the whole but the problem like a like in the view of a model. So an abstract representation of reality, mathematical, physical, narrative set of rules in a computer program. And next is system approach. System approach is nothing but include board implications of decisions for the organization at each stage in analysis. So both qualitative and quantitative factors are consider. So in system approach, so how the decisions taking at the each stage analysis, both what is the qualitative, what is the quantitative factors. So in a system approach, both the factors are considered, qualitative and quantitative factors are considered. And next, optimal solution. Finally, how could we get the optimal solution? A solution to the model that optimizes some measure of merit overall feasible solution. Actually, we have one activity, we have the activities, nothing but organization. We are taking we are considered research, finally a model after a system approach, finally we get the optimal solution. So what is optimal solution is nothing but our organization finally get it is whether it is a profit or loss. If a profit or loss tells the optimal solution, that is nothing but maximizes or minimizes. Next, group of individuals bringing various skills and viewpoints to a problem. So finally, so operation research techniques. What are the operation research techniques? Operation research techniques is nothing but a collection of general mathematical models, analytical processes, and algorithm is nothing but operation research techniques. So techniques. So what is operation research techniques? We have the activities. So the activities are research. The research is nothing but what the given question is, how it is solved. That how it is solved is nothing but by using mathematical models, analytical processes, and algorithm. So those are the operation research techniques. Next, phases in operation research study. What is phases in operation research study is nothing but since the main objective of operation research is to provide better quantitative information for making decision. Now our aim is to learn how we can better decisions. So how can we take the better decisions is nothing but phases in operation research. So we can take decision, so that taking decision we are having different phases. Taking decision, we are having different phases. One of those phases are judgment phase. Judgment phase is nothing but determination of operation and determination of objectives, determination of effectiveness of measures, and determination of type of problem, its origin and causes. So judgment is nothing but if you take one item and we taste it and you tell that okay, judgment is nothing but you tell that. So that is nothing but judgment phase. You can give one sample to one person, or how it is tasty, good or not. So that is nothing but oral judgment phase. So determination of operation, objective, effectiveness of measures, determination of type of problems, its origins and causes. Next, research phase. Phase is nothing but observation and data collection for better understanding of the problem. So for example, you are using one product and how would like to give better. So by taking data collection from previous data and compare with both of that, and if is it is increasing or decreasing, then after we will take one decision and do better for getting optimal solution. That is nothing but the research phase. Observation and data collection, better understanding of the problem, and formulation of relevant hypotheses and models, analysis available information and verification of hypothesis. So production and generation of results and consideration of alternatives. So those are all belongs to the research phase. And next, action phase. Action phase is nothing but recommendation for remedial action to those who first posed the problem. This includes the assumptions, mode, scope, and limitations, alternative course of action, and their effect. Actually, we give some samples to the different peoples, like different people. We can observe what how it is improving. So that is nothing but the action phase. So putting the solution to work, implementation. Okay, actually, so this is the action phase. So action phase is nothing but for remedical action to those who first posed to the problem. This includes the assumptions mode. So assumptions mode is nothing but okay, like assumptions mode is nothing but okay, our work is going, those are all the assumptions. Action phase, we are not in the action phase. So it includes the action assumptions mode also, scope and the limitations, alternative course of action, and their effect. So putting the solution to work, implement without war also. So in many cases we follow this phases in full, but in other cases we learn important steps out. So those are all the phases. One is the judgment phase, another is the research phase, and next one is action phase. Okay, so now you are completed our topic. Next we will continue. Okay, thank you.